All right, welcome back to the Okie Smokin channel, where today we went out on a fishing trip, striper fishing with some good friends of mine. 6 of us purchased a guide. Stripers didn't bite because of the cloudiness, the muddiness, or turbidity. The clearness of the water is just not there, and it's because we've been having floods, rains, and the water's being pulled to the lake. This is typically clear and you get tons of striper. The first time we went, we caught 60. Is that right?
Yep.
And then this last year we caught only about 35, and today I don't think we caught any, but we did catch a bunch of catfish. So we switched to cut up bait, caught a bunch of them. Me and my friends are cooking it up in this video. You're going to get to see it. Had a great time, so wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you enjoy. All right, we're going to cook up some fish we caught today. How long ago was it?
Oh, 2 hours ago.
Two hours ago, we caught some catfish right here in Lake Texoma. And right here it is. Can come up, look at this.
The best eating kind.
Look at that. So we soaked this in water for about an hour, added some salt, pepper, garlic. Let's see what else we put in there. I think that's about it. And just let it soak up. And now we're going to season it. And the seasoning I got here today is just some seasoned fish fry. This is Louisiana. And we just rinsed up that fish. Got some grease. Let's take the temperature here. Where we at? Yeah, we're at about 300 and a little hotter than we want to be, but not too bad. A little over 350. And all we're going to do is place this fish right on this seasoning here. And just kind of, you know what? Bring that bag over here. They need some more. And let's just cover this thing. Yeah. Just like that. Get that all coated real good. That looks awesome right like that. Let's do a few of these. Coat that up nice. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Let's do about, what do you think, 3 at a time?
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah. Let's go ahead and, let me go ahead and get these out of the way. We'll just drip these. Go ahead and get a good shot of that grease going in here. Look at that nice, hot, nice little fry going on. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that.
Look at that.
And then we're going to go ahead and do one more.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
This is going to be great. Holy moly.
I think we're getting
Just like that. And we'll get to those next. I'll let those 3 fry up. Let me take a look at it here. I better let it set. I think I need to let it set just a little longer. Wow. Golden brown. I'll flip them a little bit. Whoop, dang. That's falling apart.
Yeah, that's good signs.
Look at that.
Good. That done.
Yeah. I think we're just about done. Yeah, this is caught with a shad live bait.
And we chum.
Yep. I think it's done. Yeah, the centerpiece in the head mostly, wasn't it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, he's got some onion rings.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
Straight from the lake to the plate.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Falling apart.
Hi, I'm Caleb. We're down here today with Okie Smokin in Lake Texoma. We intended on going striper fishing today, but we didn't have much luck with that, so we went ahead and cut bait and went catfishing. So we're about to try some of this here catfish that Okie Smokin made up. Let's try it right now. Wow, that was really good. Great breading.
Hi, I'm Jake. I'm one of Okie Smokin's good friends. I'm going to be trying some of his fish he cooked. It's really good.
All right, now I'm gonna give it a try myself. Got that nice catfish right there, nice and thin. You said you like the thin best.
Yeah, the thin.
Yeah, we didn't catch any real big ones. They also said these young ones, small ones may taste better. I'm gonna try. No? All right.
Folks, that's Okie Smokin wrapping up 2025 fishing trip.
Yep.